Hello friends, welcome to Vidya Institute. In this video, we will prove the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, we will use the figure of a right angle triangle to solve the question. We will also keep in mind that the value of sin theta is p upon h and the value of cos theta is b upon h, where p stands for perpendicular, h stands for hypotenuse and b stands for base. So, this is our figure for proving this identity. The side BC is the base, AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So what we will do is that we will apply the Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, which gives us AC square, A square plus B square is equal to C square. We will put the value of ABC in terms of AB, BC and AC here. So now we will divide the equation by AC square, by which we will get AB square by AC square is plus BC square by AC square is equal to 1. Now we will put the value of AB by AC and BC by AC from this figure by using the values of sin theta and cos theta. We know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon my hypotenuse, and in this question perpendicular is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So value of sin theta is AB by AC. Similarly, value of cos theta is based upon my hypotenuse, and in this question the base is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. So these are the value of AB by AC and BC by AC. Now we will put these values in this equation. After putting this value, we will get our required result, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So our trigonometric identity is proved. And at the end, I will give you a note that the Pythagoras theorem, which we have used in this question, is the most basic theorem in mathematics, and it is used in most of the questions with right angle triangles. So always keep in mind that the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta are like these in terms of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, because it will be required in proving further identities which are in trigonometry. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand the proof. Thank you very much.